we're back at it again. Going back out to the same spot I got the Skippy. This time I got Pop on board. Hey. So hopefully we'll catch some fish, but we'll see how we go. Like they say, a good day's fishing better than a bad day at work, or a bad day's fishing. I don't know, fishing's good. Guys, we're out here at the spot. Conditions are way different from last week or so when I was here. There is next to zero current. In fact, my anchor is straight down there somewhere. Just makes it a little bit difficult for fishing, so it doesn't matter. The sun's shining. Pop's about to put his rod in the water, so see what he catches.
See if we can get the first fish.
Competition's on as usual. Fishy on, guys, fishy on. Daz is going to school Pop in how to fish today. Oh, big Skippy already.
That was exactly it.
Now that's the second hook.
Second hook.
There you go. First fish, second bait. You need to change your rig, man.
Yeah.
It's a different setup out here, Baz. That's all right. Well, Skippy are here. There you go. That's the first fish. Down for a bit of fun, lightweight stuff. And I think I've got a Skippy on. Feels like one. Don't know if it's a monster. Definitely looks like a Skippy.
This is it.
Definitely looks like it. So I think I've snagged up my fucking
sea anchor.
sea anchor. Actually, I think it's a small pinky. It's a small pinky.
Is it?
Yeah. It's not a bad little pinky actually, but I snagged up my sea anchor at the same time, guys. That's not a bad sign, Baz.
No. A nice big pinky would be very nice.
Oh, you fucker. That's not bad.
Oh no, isn't it?
Yeah, guys. This is on my piddly rod. It's not size. Oh, long shot, not. Get the bloody hook out of his gob. Little pinky. There you go, Lizzie.
Yeah, yeah.
Righto guys, last time I went fishing, people asking me about the rig I'm using. So I've got my braid, I've got a running sinker that's just a bean tied onto my leader, and then down the line, looks a bit ugly after a bit, but basically I tie on a hook to the bottom of the leader, and then this one here is just looped through, so you can slide it up and down according to your bait size. So if you want to use a whole muley, you can slide it up. If you want to use a half a muley, you slide it down a bit. If you get a fish on that top hook, it'll just slide down to the bottom hook, it won't slide off. So that's going to be my top, so I'll hook my bait on there. I can hook the bottom hook through the bottom, so it sits like that, and then if it needs adjusting, you can just adjust it like that. So your bait sits like that. You will, quite often as not, as I'm finding with the Skippy, is I'll end up with two hooks in them, so which is handy because they have a soft mouth. So that's basically the rig, guys. Right, Pop's on, finally gone. What's he got? It looks like a nice Skippy. They pull all right, you know they're Skippy because they're running upstream. See what we got. Well, I see it down deep. They pull all right. There we go. Stop fucking around with it, Pop. There you go, mate. See what I mean by that second hook gets in on? That's not a bad one, that, eh? Pop's happy, he's on the board.
Yeah, finally on the board.
On the board. Alright guys, I'm gonna go with the little brim rod I got for my kayak. I'll put the same rig on it, but we're running a lot lighter line, so we're gonna have a bit of fun hopefully with these Skippy. It's on again.
Catching up.
Well, I'm at 3, you're at 2 if you get this to the boat. Yeah, another Skippy, I can see it down there. They're not bad size, but I hate to tell you, Pop, Daz will be on again in a second. He's just watching, it's twitching. The rod's twitching. He's gonna go any second now. Any second. Here we go. No, oh, I missed him. Are you worried? It'll be back.
I'm gonna chuck this one. You don't want to keep two.
No, just keep the big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that last one you got was a good size. Yeah. The one I got was a good size.
I don't mind taking.
Yeah, we're on. I better put my camera down. So, little rod. This one doesn't feel too big, but sometimes they're misleading because they swim upstream, and it's when they get near the boat, like here, they start to put pressure on. Here we go, guys. Put the camera out that way, you might be able to see what's going on. Yee! Is that one you got probably just a little bit bigger than the one I got, maybe?
Yeah, good size.
Good size. Yeah, the first one I got was a good one too. This one's not too big, but I'm like, yeah.
That's the fun.
Oh, fuck yeah. That's what it's all about, guys. Bit of fun. I think I'm pulling him in backwards. I hooked him right in the middle of the back. Look at that. Sharp hooks. Sharp hooks, people. Pays to have sharp hooks. Yeah. Pops on again, guys. Surprise, surprise. Skippy, you can see it down in the water. Not a little one. Don't splash my lens, please. Alright guys, I didn't film it coming in because I thought it was just a Skippy, but this, well, big herring. So any of you guys that fish for herring, that's a decent size. So okay, a few more of them will be alright. Righto, something different. Pop's got a tar wine, actually it is. Some people call them a brim, but it's actually a tar wine. So something different from Skippy today, so yeah, there you go. So he'll go back, he's undersized, but Pop's onto something. See what it is. No, it's a wrasse.
What species?
Big old wrasse. Big old wrasse. Something different. We're not doing the clean run of Skippy today. Pop's mixing it up a bit. Lift her up and have a little look. Quite a dark one, that one.
It is a dark one, isn't it?
Yeah. So good look, Pop. Make a good look. What's he got on? Knocky knocky. Can't see it yet. I'm just starting to see a bit of colour. Like another Skippy. No, a little.
Pinky.
Is it a pinky? No,
Yeah.
it's a tar wine.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a tar wine. It's not a pinky.
Oh.
Go on, pick her up with the camera. That's a big tar wine. That's alright, Pop. Great look with the apple in your gob today. Pop's going for a mixed bag today, so he's got a little flathead. There you go, a bit small, but watch that because that'll be sharp as fuck they are.
Yeah, I know.
Got another one on. They pull alright for little fish. You can turn the boat around. The thing is, if you foul hook them, they pull even harder. Oh, it's a big tar wine.
It is it?
Yeah. Something different. He's fucking gone in. He's gone in under the motor, the dickhead. Oh, fuck me. Fucking. Have a look at that, people. What a dickhead fish. He's tangled in my fucking motor. Fuck me. Pop.
Baldchin groper.
Yeah, show us his face. Show us those teeth. Those peggies. Oh. Shame he's undersized because they are spectacular chewing.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
They're like bluebell, aren't they?
Yeah, same family. Well, you'll have to go back. Put your finger and get them out.
Yeah. Just hooked.
That's pretty.
So, what size do they have to be? I know he's undersized.
Oh, I'm not quite sure. We'll have to have a look. Put him back.
Beautiful colours on them.
Beautiful, aren't they? Yeah. I'll say they make really good chewing. I'm pulling a little bit of line, so it's starting on a bit better, guys. Who knows? It's got a bit of a knock. I'm not going to call it because the Skippy knocked like that last time. It's not run upstream yet, which the Skippy have been doing, so. It's down there. It might be a pinky by the look of it. Yeah, it's a pinky.
Right.
Yep. He's well hooked. Oh, I'm just gonna get around here. Get here, come here, you bitch. There you go. That was a bit better, people.
Yeah.
Still undersized, still got to go back. But, yeah. And anybody question the two hooks, there's the two hooks. Look at that. Yeah, they weren't getting off. Right. We'll let it go, eh? Ready, steady. Gone. Just like that. Righto, guys, time to fuck off. One of the good things about being skipper of the boat is somebody else has to pull the anchor, and that being Pop.
Not a problem.
Yeah, it's only in 7 metres of water and it's sand on the bottom, so it's not. I'm not making him pull it out of 20 metres on the reef, which I have done in the past. That's it, all good. Had a good day, caught a mixed bag, nothing massive, nothing special, but hey, still fishing.
Come on, yeah, come on. It's like that. It's like that. Come on, yeah, come on. It's like that. It's like that.
Cheers, Pop. All packed up, ready to go. Oh.